Welcome to the future of digital presence. Today, we're diving into the construction of hyper-realistic AI avatars for your metaverse meeting. Hyper-realistic avatars are transforming virtual interactions, offering a lifelike digital double that goes beyond traditional low-fidelity models. In the metaverse, realistic presence is crucial for effective communication, building trust, and achieving true immersion in professional settings. The key to this realism is neural rendering, a new technology leveraging AI to generate highly detailed, photorealistic images and 3D scenes. Neural rendering uses deep learning models to create visuals that are indistinguishable from reality, capturing complex light and texture interactions. Technologies like neural radiance fields, or NeRF, allow the AI to synthesize novel views of a scene by modeling light emitted and absorbed at every point in space. Essentially, neural networks are trained to understand the 3D geometry and appearance of an object, generating a highly realistic 3D representation from standard 2D images. Creating a hyper-realistic avatar starts with comprehensive data acquisition, which involves capturing the subject's appearance and movements accurately. This requires setting up sophisticated multi-camera capture systems, often in a dome or studio, to record the human subject from every possible angle simultaneously. The subject performs various expressions and movements, while the cameras capture high-resolution images, providing the raw data needed to train the neural network model. Once the capture is complete, the extensive processing phase begins, transforming gigabytes of raw data into a functional dynamic avatar model. The AI model is intensively trained using this captured data, teaching it to render the subject's appearance under varying lighting and viewing conditions with perfect consistency. The resulting model must be optimized significantly for real-time performance to ensure it can be rendered smoothly and quickly enough for live, interactive metaverse meetings. Beyond just the visual fidelity, the avatar requires meticulous rigging and animation to accurately translate human movement and expression. Implementing facial and body tracking technology is essential to mirror the user's real-world actions onto the avatar for live meetings, ensuring authenticity. A critical challenge is maintaining low latency, so the avatar's movement and expressions are natural, avoiding any jarring delays that break the sense of presence. Finally, the hyper-realistic avatar needs seamless integration into various metaverse platforms and virtual meeting environments. This requires adhering to specific platform API requirements and industry standards for avatar formats and streaming protocols to ensure broad compatibility. Imagine presenting your ideas with an avatar that looks and moves exactly like you, enhancing engagement and making virtual meetings feel much more personal. The construction of hyper-realistic AI avatars using neural rendering marks a major leap forward in digital communication. The benefits include an unprecedented sense of presence, greater immersion, and ultimately, more effective and engaging virtual meetings. The future holds even greater realism and accessibility, making hyper-realistic avatars standard for professional virtual communication. Thank you for watching this deep dive into AI avatars. Like, subscribe, and share for more content on the future of technology.